This video goes through some use cases for 5G as described by some white papers in the industry. 5G is expected to be an evolution of 4G with support for new spectrum bands, higher spectral efficiencies, and higher peak throughputs. 5G is also expected to target new services and new business models in collaboration with vertical industries like automotive, healthcare, manufacturing, and others. There were many parallel activities globally in research institutions, academic institutions, and industry organizations driving 5G use cases and requirements. Some of the white papers that are referenced in this video are by 4G Americas, NGMN, and GSMA. The white paper summary of global 5G initiatives was published by 4G Americas in June 2014. The paper provides a landscape of various regional 5G related activities in Asia, in countries like China, Korea, and Japan, and it also provides the activities in the European Union. There were related activities in the Americas as well. Standards and industry fora like 3GPP, 4G Americas, ATIS, IEEE, ITU, NGMN, TIA, and others were also very active in defining 5G use cases. 4G Americas published their recommendations on 5G requirements and solutions in October 2014. Several market drivers and use cases were described in this white paper. Internet of Things is one of the market driver, and there were several use cases in there like smart grid, smart cities, telemedicine, and automotive. Other use cases included virtual reality and gaming applications, public safety, and context-aware services. Example use cases for smart cities were smart transportation, smart building, and smart home. Examples for automotive use cases are vehicular infotainment entertainment, pre-crash sensing and mitigation, cooperative vehicles, and inter-vehicle information exchange. Examples of use cases for virtual reality and gaming were 3D audio, 3D video, ultra high definition formats, and codecs. Examples of public safety use cases are mission critical voice and broadband data. GSMA Intelligence published a white paper in December 2014. Various use cases were identified in this white paper, and based on bandwidth and latency requirements, they identified some use cases that could be supported by the legacy network. Use cases like autonomous driving, augmented reality, virtual reality, and tactile internet needed latencies less than 1 millisecond and bandwidth higher than 100 megabits per second. These are the services that need to be enabled by 5G. NGMN Alliance published their 5G white paper in February 2015. They identified 8 use case families for 5G. The first use case family is broadband access in dense areas. Example use cases are pervasive video, dense urban society, smart office, and others. The second use case family is broadband access everywhere with a use case like 15 megabits per second everywhere. The third use case family is higher user mobility. High speed train, moving hotspots, and aircraft connectivity are example use cases. The next use case family is massive Internet of Things, covering use cases like smart wearables, sensor networks. The next use case family is extreme real-time communications, supporting tactile internet as a use case. The next use case family is lifeline communication, covering natural disaster use cases. The ultra-reliable communications family covers use cases like remote surgery, public safety, drones, and others. The last use case family is broadcast like services, covering news and information use cases. Here are the references used in this session.